watch the righteous join the chase. Chroniclers sharpen their quills while the crowd gathers for their thrills. Did you hear what they did behind closed doors? The whisper becomes a roar. It's the perfect recipe for a reputation's death. 3 parts horror, 1 part righteousness. We love to hate, we love to judge, we love the taste of moral blood. The perfect recipe, the perfect recipe for feeling clean while getting dirty. From Vatican halls to internet threads, the same dark story never ends. Just change the names, update the setting, the pattern keeps repeating. That we're the ones who spread the lie, while claiming we're the ones who cry for justice, truth, and children's sake. But it's the thrill that keeps us awake. It's the perfect recipe for our reputation's death. 3 parts horror, 1 part righteousness. We love to hate, we love to judge, we love the taste of moral blood. The perfect recipe, the perfect recipe for feeling clean while getting dirty. 500 years, same hungry heart. We play the same accusing part. The mirror shows the rot inside. We mask it all with holy pride. The fire burns, we fan the flame and hide our guilt by shouting names. No truth, no doubt, just ritual cry.